And thank you for watching my channel. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to see more of my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Hi! You're helping Mama? Mama will cut this one, please. Mama will cut this one. Yes. Mama will cut it. Yay! Open! Open! Hi. Let's do some unboxing. Unboxing. Lukas, what's inside? What is inside, Lukas? Hi, you're doing unboxing too? So these are Lukas' presents, which you shouldn't see yet. There's a piano. Wow, I didn't expect this big. It's so big. And this is 3+ years. Wow, I was expecting a small one. It's very cheap in juniors because the one that I saw in Borders was expensive. And then there's one, a board game. So I'll wrap this one for Lukas' presents, and it's his birthday tomorrow. So I'll not open it yet. And this one here is his food dining set, which is very cheap. I got it for 20 dirhams. So all in all, the total of this box inside is 370 dirhams, which I saved around 400 dirhams. And some scented sticks, and I got a lot of clothes for my everyday kind of clothes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, which I'm gonna try right now. So that's it for the unboxing of Centerpoint online order. Yes, so I should wear this every day because then he has a mommy, not a me. Mommy! Not Ati, but mommy. Not Ati, but mommy. Yes, not Ati, but mama. Yes, that's correct. uniform or work uniform in the office. This is nice. Done. Hello! It's Lukas' birthday today, and we just invited some of our neighbors, the kids, and I did some decorations last night, and I wrapped the presents, Lukas' presents, and then here's the birthday boy. Hi, Lukas! Hi! Yeah! Say hello! Hello! Stand up, stand up! Stand up, little man! Stand up! Stand up! Yes! Wow! So pogi naman, oy! He's catch... No, no! You say, kiss, kiss! Flying kiss! Flying kiss! I know. Inviting the kids for a play date. We don't really have a party, so I arranged this earlier this morning. Lucas is watching TV, his favorite, the 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒. There are some toys here that they can play. And Daddy Espen is here.
Hola!
Hola!